Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will describe one thing. Many people want to speak fluency, but no one will speak fluently. Do you know why? This is the main reason behind. They have a lot of mistake. I will share seven biggest mistake make while learning English and how do you can avoid them and you can speak fluency fluent of anywhere. So just to focus on these are mistake where you are lacking, where you are mistaken. So let's firstly I want to share with you first only practicing and not practicing. They watch every day but not practicing every day. For example, when you are watching something, when you are listening something, when you are imaginations something, then you just describing the one and just practice, because practice is the real key of our English communication. And you can just practice day by day. And then you, how do you can practice that, I will share everything. So firstly, you will practice with your friends and you can practice with your mobile phones. But if do not have anything, just you can practice front of mirror every day. It is a very good thing for the everyone beginner and the everyone English learner, because when you are practicing front of mirror, then it is the help to the our confidence, and you will make a good fluency our pronunciation. So that's why you can use these are concept, and absolutely you will become a good English communicator. And second thing is a fear of the mistake. People feel shy, afraid and overwhelmed day by day and making mistake a lot of. To don't think your mistake part of life. Just you focus on the ever practicing day by day, and you keep practice day by day. Yeah, speak freely. It's okay to be wrong in the beginning. Yeah, in initial time every person are making a lot of mistake. It's happen every one person. And even native speaker right now you are doing a lot of mistake. Then native speaker don't think about the mistake, because every mistake doing, and he's learning day by day where you are lagging, where you are mistaking. Just you describe and you learn new thing, because in next day when you are conversing any one person, then you remember where you are lacking, when you are the presenting something. And after that you will improve whatever you are improved in past time and whatever you are improved in the present time, recently times. And it's good for the ever English communication. And second mistake is the learning difficult word. Many people and many are learner in initial time try to the big word and fancy word, and but telecommunication needs simple vocabulary. Use a simple go, come, eat, bring, milk. There these are you can use and include our during the conversation, and English will be improved. Because in initial time you can't learn to advanced level and fancy level English, because when you learn any advanced and fancy level, then your mind will not understanding, because you are a beginner and your subconscious mind is not understanding what you want to speak front of anyone. Just you focus on the simple English communication, and our English absolutely, I am damn sure absolutely your English will be improved. Just focus on their improvement and just focus on their daily basis practicing. So, and fourth mistake is the no daily plan. Learning English random does not work. You need to 10 and 5 minute daily habits. Make a routine of 5 words plus 5 sentence plus 5 minute speaking. It is so good for our English communication, because when you are learning day by day 5 vocabulary, then you can multiply into 30, 150 a sentence you learn, and you can practice day by day your habitual habit. Then you will able to speak, because they are this is the enough for the 150 words. You can just reminder you can speak in front of anyone, and it is enough for the you. Because and as a beginner, it is you can express on one word throughout the this vocabulary. So that's this fourth concept is the very good for the everyone person. And to fourth mistake, ignoring listening practice. Listening help speak better, but to watch movie, news and the articles and storytelling and the reads and the repeat bit you hear. For example, you are listening something like audio book something, there are multiple things all are available on the YouTube. Then you can repeat on the same time. So for example, one a native speaker saying something, then you observe he want to say, and then you can repeat the same times. and it is improved to your fluency and pronunciation day by day. And five six mistake is the comparing with the others. Don't compare your English with your friends and someone online. Focus on your journey and improve slowly and steadily, because right now in every person is initial time is starting English learning. Then if someone person is conversation a lot, conversation very good and very incredible, then that times person will be compared. I'm not able to speak, I will not speak to anyone person, but that person is doing great well, he's able to speak a lot everyone person. It's happen everyone person. I'm also comparing the everyone person, but it's not good for the everyone English learner, because when will you comparing another person, then your motivation will be down and you will be overwhelmed and you will be afraid and shy same times. Just you focus on the your journey, what where you can, what you are doing in past time and what are you doing in the right now. Just compare these are a mistake. And after that I want to give seven mistake giving up too early. People give in the 1 week or 1 month and 1 2 month, but language take tiles. Be patient, even 10 minutes daily will give result in the 30 day, because the English language is not a language, it is the skill. It will be take time. If you want to really implement English, just you need to focus the very carefully and the very incredible way. Otherwise, if you are one day you keep 1 hours and few day you keep 2 hours and next day you didn't give any hours, then you can't learn English, because English will be take time with the habitual, with the consistency way. Without consistency your English will be not improve. So just why focus on your consistency way and you will able to speak any one person. So friends, don't make these mistake. Start with small steps and keep going. Keep going. English will be become your friend. And if you like this video, comment your biggest challenge and I will help you with that. And subscribe for our daily English tips. Thank you so much friends. See you soon next video.